How to cancel AliExpress order after payment. Hey everybody, if you'd like to cancel an AliExpress order after payment, you can follow up these steps. So first of all, let's head over to AliExpress application and log in into your account. And once we are logged in, we should be finding this particular interface. Now, what we can do is we can head over and look out for our orders. We can usually find our orders in our cart, or you can just go ahead and check out and basically look out for your orders within the application. Now, once you find your order history, you can look out for that orders. And if you would like to cancel those orders, the thing is you can only cancel your order after payment if the product has not been shipped yet. If your product has already been shipped, even though you try to cancel your order, you won't be able to do so because your order has been picked up by the courier company and can't be canceled at that time. In that situation, you need to contact the courier company directly and see if that works. Otherwise, you need to wait for the orders to be delivered, and then the particular person, you can just head over and return the items after that is done. So that is only the method. Otherwise, in order to cancel AliExpress order after payment, find the order that you would like to cancel. After that, you can find the cancel order button and you will need to select a reason for cancellation and submit the request. And that's it. That is how you cancel your AliExpress order after payment. So therefore, you may follow up this method in order to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.